I like it. So you're not thinking small at all. This is very ambitious. And E1 series clearly has a great future ahead. But this past year hasn't exactly been your easiest time to launch, has it?
Well, no. I mean, it's true that we came up with the idea to launch an ambitious, project like this, and then a global pandemic hit. And I say it's always, we've been like running a marathon with a 50-kilogram backpack. But imagine what we can do, what we are going to do now when hopefully that backpack comes off. Yeah. But thanks to the great team we have, led by Rodi, Yanni, with the design team, with Sophie Horn, with Brunello Acampora, we managed to get to here. We are now here, we made it to this point, and now we're getting ready to race, and the announcements today are a big step in that direction.
It really is. The only way is up. And I know we're all excited to see the boat revealed. So what did you think when you saw it for the first time?
When I saw the design of the racer for the first time, I was really impressed. I loved it. And we in the E1 series, we need a design that will make people dream. We are going to be trying to bring them to the path of the future, and they need to see that on the design of the boat. It really reflects the spirit of E1, spirit of pushing boundaries, of design, of new technology, but with a purpose. That is the race bird.
I like that. And Rodi, would you say that showcasing electric technology is a vital part of the E1 series vision?
Well, absolutely. Technology is an enabler for scalable and accelerated change. But technology doesn't have to be the protagonist of the narrative, of course. It has to serve our vision, which is very much about the awareness of the water, the status of the water, and also our approach, which is the approach of racers. We know what the sense of urgency is, and we want to contribute to a better water condition and exploration for the future of the marine industry.
I like the sound of that, but how do you think you can contribute to the acceleration of the electrification process within the marine industry?
Well, we are an evolving project, and we want to innovate. But of course, given the time frame that we are giving ourselves, we had to be smart in designing on how to innovate. And the main driver will be cross-fertilization across sectors. So we will take all the lessons learned in the high-end automotive and motorsport, from sailing and from motonautic, of course, and we will try to apply the state-of-the-art of these technologies into our race birds in order to make sure that it will be straight away a great example of technology and solution for a better navigation.
And that's the key point, I guess, Alejandro, that E1 series has a positive, lasting legacy. So what can you tell us more about that?
Marine mobility is a big source of pollution in waters. We get so much pollution, oil, all sort of things, in our lakes, in our rivers, in the ocean. So we have to electrify as much as we can marine mobility. And the first step for that is going to be electrify recreational mobility. What we can call the day boats, the boat you take for the day, and then you can recharge it during the night. And electric powertrains and batteries today have the capacity, the technology to do that very, very well. So we want to use the E1 to be the platform where those technologies can develop, and then once you have perfected the technologies racing, you can then apply them to the boats that you're going to sell to the general public and to facilitate general adoption of these electric boats.